For this video, I had a question when I was trying to buy a GoPro, and I kept seeing this e-commerce package, not knowing what it is, whether it was just the same GoPro. I tried to do some research, and looking at it, I kept getting a lot of different answers, and a lot of it said that it's the same thing, brand new, just in not in the fancy packaging. Other people said that this was refurbished or used somehow, and I could never really get a straight answer. But I decided to go ahead and buy one of these because the price was way better than the new one in the packaging, or ones that were advertised as refurbished. It says, if you can see that on there, new item. So I'm hoping this truly is a new item, and it just doesn't give you the fancy packaging. I think this one was $144 instead of $280. It was $190 for the refurbished one in the fancy packaging. Taking it out, I don't immediately see anything scratches or dent. It's got plastic on all of the mirrors, or not mirrors, but lenses. Looking at it, I don't see any scratches or marks that looks like maybe this was used anywhere. And obviously it had the case with it here. Also in the box, the instructions, the charging cable, the battery, the two mounts that said it comes with it. So far it's looking like this is an absolutely brand new item, just without the packaging. I'm gonna put the battery in and charge it up and see what happens. Okay, so like I say, this is the e-commerce. This is the GoPro 5, and got it for $144 from Amazon. We'll put the battery in. So far, it looks like it's all brand new stuff. So it's coming up here. I think you have some basic setup stuff. Agreed to the stuff. Date. It's obviously touch screen. It's the 11th. Trying to get it to stay where you want it is a check mark. You can turn GPS on. Okay, so it's got 12% battery here. I think it ships very low. That's what I've seen in a lot of other stories and read about it. So it turns on. So still, once again, everything checking out just like it should, that this is a brand new working item. Okay, so the last thing I'm going to check on this and show you guys, I'm plug it in and make sure that it's charging. That's on this door right over here. Red lights come on that let's see what the screen shows. So now it is showing that a current's going to it, and I'll turn it back off just to let it charge. Got a red light right here and a red light here on the front. So we'll just let that charge and see how long it takes.